Here is the second question of the homework 4. You see, since the x is uniform in the interval min -1 to 1, the probability density function is this. And we could also get the probability distribution function by integrate the probability density function of x. And we also know the probability density function of y. So by integrate the probability density function of y, we could get the probability distribution function of y. This is the result. And I think this is the most important part of the question. I think the x and the y use the same probability distribution function. They just have different forms because they use y is a kind of mapping of x, and they have a different formula. And when x belongs to -1 to 1, here is the equality, and this is the gx when x belongs to -1 to 1. And we could see the image of the gx. At this part, I write that when x is less than -1, y equals 0, and x is big. If x is bigger than 1, y is to infinite, the positive infinite. But this part I understand it, but this part I have some I do not know how to prove it, because I think when x is to 1, the y is to positive infinite. But if x is bigger than 1, what's the value of y? When x is bigger than 1, I think the equality is invisible at that time. That's why. That's my question.